This is voodoo flossing the wrist. Oftentimes, a lot of us work at a desk for long periods of time and you get stuck in one position and then your musculature becomes adaptively shortened to that position, all right? And it takes a lot of work to unspin that nastiness, okay? But this is a quick way to do it, all right? You wanna wrap a voodoo band around your wrist, starting at these two bony prominences called the radial and ulnar styloid processes, and then working up about 3 or 4 inches, okay? Now, you wanna go ahead and put your wrist in some common positions that you know that you spend time in, okay? So we know that we need to spend time in wrist flexion, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and ball my fist up so that I account for all the finger extensors as well, and I'm gonna push my wrist into flexion. As I do that, you'll notice that I externally rotate my shoulder. Now I'm just gonna rock in and out of that position. Maybe I go for 20 or 30 reps here, right? So we know we need to spend a significant amount of time to make some change, all right? So maybe 20 to 30 reps or at least 1 minute in that direction. And then I wanna go in the opposite direction as well. So I'm gonna extend my fingers, put the palm of my hand down, and just go ahead and extend my wrist, okay? Shoulder is in a good position and externally rotated, just like so, all right? You can flex and extend the elbow. And try and press into that end range. Explore as many different positions as you can so that you don't leave anything on the table, all right? Another one that is useful is go ahead and tuck your thumb into the palm of your hand like that and then wrap your fingers around your thumb. Be careful with this one because it can be pretty painful if you've got some inflammation in that tendon. But what you want to do is slowly flex your wrist down toward the floor repeatedly, okay? That's going to help mobilize this common area, this tendon up here that gets really inflamed. It's called de Quervain's tenosynovitis, okay? This mobility technique here has actually helped solve a lot of my patients' problems in one visit, okay? They've gone to their orthopedist, had injections, and no luck, but simple mobilization, about 2 or 3 minutes, along with some other things, but solve their problem. Work for them, it can work for you, okay? So like I said, spend about 2 or 3 minutes on it, or as prescribed.